Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a stupid thing and just, I don't know, do what I did with the HST last time and just, drive until I get spad. Here we go. And so far I already got an express. A class 379 will just do for today. I went to see Big Ben yesterday as my birthday gift on Saturday. We got there around 3:45 and we stayed there until 6. So yeah, I love that. Yeah, so I'm back. Fully. Half-term break. Love it. Unfortunately, I will not be doing any requests. Unless if I want to. But yes, Easter holidays now. It was actually on Friday, but I didn't want to make any videos on Friday nor Saturday. So I thought, okay, Sunday should be the day. So yeah, yeah. Hello, other train.
The next station is Faraday Road.
So yeah, I might make requests, I might not, but we'll see what just happens in it. Who the fuck is texting me? Oh no. Okay, well, goodbye. Facts.